So this is the USB-C to lightning cable. So the USB-C is that thin connection, that USB cable. And what I really like about having these around is that they're really modular. You can use them to power up your iPhone, but also your AirPods, your AirPod case, and other devices as well. So this has the USB end at this end, and then the lightning cable to connect to your iPhone or to your external device. Very easy to plug in. And you can see the lightning cable plugs in just like this. And you can see up there that little lightning signal indicates that it's charging. So I really like to have enough of these around so that I'm not scrambling for a charger. That way all my devices are always charged or easy to charge up.